Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Today we're gonna make a delicious dessert that combined based on my experience, and this is inspired by two countries, which is the Philippines and Thailand. So every time I visit these two countries, I always look for this dessert. This is called sticky rice with mango. Are you excited? Because I am so excited. So let's do it! The combination of sticky rice, a creamy coconut sauce, and the fresh mango is truly amazing. In a bowl, wash rice well in several changes of water until water is clear. Then soak rice in cold water for about an hour or two, but it's recommended to soak overnight. Moving on, we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger. In a medium-high heat temperature, combine all the ingredients: 1 cup of soaked sweet rice, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring to a boil. Simmer for about 20 minutes while stirring constantly, then reduce to lower heat. Mixture is done when rice becomes very sticky and almost dry. Transfer the sticky rice in a bowl and let the temperature cool down before wrapping. Scoop the rice mixture and place it over the prepared banana leaves. Then, start rolling to secure the rice mixture. And fold the sides. Repeat until rice mixture is finished. Set up the steamer. Then arrange the wrap mixture in the steamer. Steam over medium heat for about 30 to 45 minutes. Remove from the steamer. Meanwhile, let's simmer 1/8 cup of leftover coconut milk. Also add 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Let's prepare the mango by cutting it open and slicing into bite-sized pieces. Arrange mango slices on the rice. Then, drizzle lots of the sweet coconut sauce over. Heavenly is the only way to describe this mango sticky rice. My recipe is mainly influenced by my culture, which uses a banana leaf to steam the sticky rice. But it is also a fusion recipe that uses mangoes as topping. This dessert is also very popular in Thailand and Southeast Asia. Wow, so good. Promise, it's really good. So good. Thank you guys for watching. For more cooking, simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Till next time. Bye.